What if I told you that the universe seems suspiciously perfect for life? That if just a few numbers in physics were different by the tiniest fraction, you wouldn't be here watching this video. This is the Anthropic Principle, an idea that has sparked debate among physicists, philosophers, and everyone who has ever wondered, why is the universe just right for us? Some say it's a deep cosmic truth. Others say it's just selection bias on the grandest scale possible. Today, we are diving into the science, the arguments, and the mind-blowing implications of the Anthropic Principle. But first, let's set the stage with a simple thought experiment. Imagine a cosmic lottery where the fundamental constants of nature are randomly assigned: the strength of gravity, the charge of the electron, the nuclear forces that hold atoms together. Each of these numbers could have been different, but somehow they ended up just right for complex chemistry, stable planets, and ultimately us. Now, let's get specific. Here are some jaw-dropping examples of fine-tuning. Number 1. The strength of gravity. If gravity were just a tiny bit stronger, stars would burn too fast and collapse into black holes before planets even had a chance to form. Too weak, the stars wouldn't ignite at all, just cold gas forever. Number 2. The strong nuclear force. If this force were slightly weaker, protons and neutrons wouldn't stick together, meaning no atoms beyond hydrogen, no carbon, no oxygen, no life. Number 3. Dark energy and the universe's expansion. A slight increase in dark energy and the universe would have expanded too fast for galaxies to form. A little less and everything would have collapsed into a fiery singularity. With so many cosmic dials tuned so precisely, the question is, why? Is this design, luck, or something else entirely? Enter the Anthropic Principle, which comes in two main flavors. Number 1. The weak Anthropic Principle. We observe a universe that supports life because, well, if it didn't, we wouldn't be here to notice. This is kind of like saying, I am lucky I was born on Earth instead of a lifeless rock. Number 2. The strong Anthropic Principle. The laws of the universe are the way they are because they must allow for intelligent life to exist. This is a bit more philosophical, almost as if the universe had to create observers like us. Now, this might sound self-centered, but it raises a huge question. Is our existence inevitable or just a cosmic accident? To answer that, let's look at two competing explanations. Number 1, the multiverse theory, and number 2, the fine-tuning argument. If our universe seems suspiciously fine-tuned, maybe it's not the only one. According to some theories in quantum mechanics and cosmology, there could be an infinite number of universes, each with different laws of physics. In this vast multiverse, we just happen to live in the one where the numbers add up to life. Think of it like this: if you roll a trillion-sided die enough times, eventually you will get a universe where everything works out. Some scientists like Stephen Hawking argued that the multiverse could explain fine-tuning without the need for any deeper meaning. But there's a problem. We cannot observe other universes. Without evidence, is the multiverse just an escape hatch for avoiding the weirdness of fine-tuning? On the other hand, some scientists suggest that fine-tuning is significant. Maybe life isn't just a random byproduct of physics. Maybe the universe has properties that inevitably leads to consciousness. This brings us to an even bigger question. Does the universe need observers to exist? In quantum mechanics, particles exist in a fuzzy state until observed. Could it be that consciousness itself plays a role in shaping reality? This idea is speculative but fascinating. It suggests that life isn't just a lucky accident, but something woven into the very nature of existence. Is fine-tuning just selection bias? Are we one of many universes? Or is there something deeper at play? The Anthropic Principle doesn't give a final answer, but it forces us to ask, are we just lucky, or is there something about the universe that makes intelligent life inevitable? So, what do you think? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.